Good morning. It's Wednesday morning and it's currently like 8 a.m. in the morning. It's very cold out here, too foggy as well. So I have to do my 3 kilometers of run, skipping, and push ups. And after having my banana, I will start my 3 kilometers of jog. So let's see you guys there. So I am done with my 3 kilometers of jog. There's a pain in my right calf. I could feel it even in the first 100 meters. So I don't know it's because of not a proper warm up or it is because of my cramps or something, because I'm putting a little bit stress in my body. So I'll be doing a little bit of exercise before I start with my skipping. So let's get started with it.
So the common mistake that people make and that I made was कि मैंने अपनी बॉडी के ऊपर थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रेशर दे दिया, due to which मेरी राइट काफ स्टिफ हो गई. एंड इवन इफ़ यू आर डूइंग दिस टाइप ऑफ इंटेंसिव वर्कआउट, मैं रिकमेंड करूँगा कि एक्सरसाइज के बाद हर बार कूल डाउन कीजिए, इफ़ नॉट नीचे देन एट होम. तो अगर आपने मेरी लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखी है, आई विल बी पुटिंग अ कार्ड ऑन अ टॉप राइट, जिसमें मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि वाई आई स्टॉप यूजिंग एंकल वेट्स वाइल स्किपिंग. एंड एज फार एज द पुशअप गोज, मैं आज सिर्फ 30 कर पाया था, इवन दो आई हैव चैलेंज्ड माई सेल्फ टू डू 50 एट अ टाइम ऑन फ्राइडे. अब आई नो दैट द पोस्चर ऑफ माई पुशअप्स आरंट ग्रेट. इट विल इम्प्रूव ग्रेजुअली ओवर टाइम. जितना मेरे आर्म का स्ट्रेंथ इम्प्रूव होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंगली ये भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा.
So I was only able to do 500 skips because my legs, my right calf is very sore. It's feeling very heavy. So I think I will try to do in the evening, or I will just do 500. We'll just take it slow from here and then improve upon it. So I did my 50 push-ups, did the sets of 30, 10, 10. Should have taken a little break while doing my push-ups, because I could still feel my biceps burning out while I was doing my skipping. So I just need to get some groceries and then I'll be done for my day. So before I end my morning vlog today, yes, I got my groceries. I wanted to talk about that. Yes, I'm repeating the same thing each and every day, and I try not to bore you guys. It's because I'm not getting football. You will be thinking like, this is a football channel, I should be playing football right now. Yes, I'll be doing some training with the ball too, but firstly I need to get my body into shape. So that's why I'm not doing any drills with football. I'm not finding any matches over here, otherwise I would have been playing that too. So I just need to go home, take a shower, and then attend my college. So we'll talk more about this later. Bye bye. So it's Thursday evening and it's currently 4 p.m. and I will be doing my 1000 skips. Then we will be moving on to 50 push-ups. So after that I will be including some football drills. As I mentioned in the last video that I will be doing my 3 kilometers run only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, 3 days a week. And then I am thinking of doing Tuesday and Thursday, like integrating with some football drills. So let's get started and see how it goes.
So after taking a break, my legs were feeling better. I was able to do my 1000 skips, but still I wasn't able to do my single legged variation. So कल बेसिकली मुझे अपना 50 का टारगेट अचीव करना है. वेंसडे को आई वॉज ओनली एबल टू डू 30 एंड आज आई डिड 40. नाउ इतना चेंज कैसे आया? आई वॉजंट बिल्डिंग माई स्ट्रेंथ ओनली थ्रू पुशअप्स बट ऑल्सो विथ स्किपिंग एंड हैंड ग्रिप एक्सरसाइज, जिससे इतने छोटे टाइम में मैंने इतना इम्प्रूव कर लिया.
So I'm done with my 1000 skips. I couldn't do my single legged ones because my calves was too sore. So I did my 60 push-ups. I need to break the record tomorrow or doing 50. I reached it till 40. It was pretty hard. So let's see if I can break it tomorrow. I just started at 20 this week on Monday and I reached it till 40. So I think I can do this. So let's see tomorrow what happens. And right now I'll be starting with my football drill. So let's get started with it. So I will be doing my football drills over here. we have 1 hour daylight, and then I think I'll be going to check some ground nearby, so that in the future video I can go over there and record if it's free. So let's see how it goes.
So मैंने अपना drill start किया with a single step over, and then to practice some shooting I placed 2 cones on the right जहाँ मुझे ball place करना था. After that I moved on to croqueta. So basically I am doing all these drills for 10 times each without taking a break. After that I integrated my step overs with croqueta. Even though I am a left back, why am I doing all these type of drills? आजकल के मॉडर्न फुटबॉल में डिफेंडर्स ऑल्सो प्ले अ क्रूशियल रोल इन बिल्डिंग अप एन अटैक, especially left back and right back. So these type of drills will help me make space and give cross into the box.
I'm done with my football drills, and today was a bit rough. Not gonna lie, that was a bit sluggish. I did it after so long, so I wasn't able to perform really well. So the space is really confined, and I couldn't take a shot properly, because whenever I was going over there, I had to shoot really quickly because I couldn't stretch my leg in time. So right now I am going to look for a ground which is like nearby, and if it's free I will try to do my future videos over there only. So I'll be going there by cycle right now, and then we'll go home and we'll see what to do. So I'll see you in a bit. So I did make it in time. It's still daylight, and I found this ground. So as you guys can see, it's pretty flat. So I'm thinking that I'll be doing my shooting, dribbling, and all of this stuff on Saturday, Sunday if I come over here. I don't know if it's free or not, but if it's free, then well and good. But if someone stops us, then we'll go find somewhere else to play. Other than that, it's great. It's great.
So if you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to be a part of this journey, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified, 1 घंटा दिख रहा होगा, बजा देना. Thank you for watching, and मिलते हैं next vlog में.